What's up, everyone? So it's currently 9 a.m. So I'm back, stronger than ever. I decided to start this a little bit later because I wanted to focus on the trading first. Until now, I haven't taken any trades on euro dollar. I took a break even on the S&P 500, but that's just a quick scalp. And there were actually no trades today on euro dollar for now. It's 9 a.m. If there are no trades today, what I will do is I will show you the trades that I took yesterday. I took two trades with the potential of 10R actually, and one, it did give me the 10R, and the other one actually just tapped me out by spreads by the 0.1 pip, and then it went to the 10R. It could have been my best trading day so far, but it is what it is. We move on. I did reminisce a little bit about it. I was a little bit triggered, but then it kind of just went away. And once I noticed that I was getting that kind of revenge in me, I was like, okay, no need to trade anymore, just leave the charts. And yeah, like today I'm perfectly fine with it, and yeah, it's back to another day. It might also be today that we witness euro dollar reaching a 1-to-1. That's going to be very interesting. I never thought that would be happening. And by the way, if you don't follow me on Twitter, make sure to follow me on Twitter. Sometimes I post some trades that I take there and my ideas on what euro dollar, S&P, whatever might be doing. I also posted what I'm doing in the stock market. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to follow me on Twitter. Now, let me show you what I got. Okay, so this was not trades that I took today, but I was expecting euro dollar to reach this 15-minute high right here and then start moving down. It's what it did. It actually reached the 15-minute high, it tapped it, and then it started moving down. Now the thing is, I was waiting for a deeper mitigation because I've been burned quite a few times in trying to enter in these trades right here. So I didn't really bother with these trades. These trades that I've put on here are basically just me in the moment thinking like, okay, if I were to enter in a trade, it would be here to target these highs, but I didn't want to enter because like the 15-minute was taking over, this low was weak, so we were targeting these lows. So I didn't really want to enter in these trades, so I just put them here just for the sake of it. Then I can also show you the trades that I took yesterday. So I took this loss because of spreads. I genuinely believe this one was one of the best trades that I've taken with smart money. The thing is, I still felt a little bit of FOMO, and the reason for this loss was actually because instead of putting my entry here, it should have been a little bit higher up to be like very high probability. And since I didn't do that, well, I took the loss because of spreads. If I hadn't done this, if I hadn't put it on the break, I would have taken the win. So, well, that's a lesson learned. And then this was the entry that I took that resulted in a 10R win, where we break the structure. This POI sweeps the liquidity. It also breaks both structures, not only the 1 minute, but also this 15-minute demand. Then it starts pulling back. And if I use the bar replay, I was on the 5-second looking for a break of structure. That's what happened here, but I didn't enter here. And then this started really impulsing up. Wasn't in the trade yet, but then once this started moving down, I entered with a 2.4 pip stop. And well, I let the trade go and it resulted in the 10R. It was a slow burner. It took a little bit. It was almost reaching the 10R right here. It was running 8R and it pulled back almost to break even. I remember that it was like 1 or 2 pips away from my break even. And then it actually ended up moving down and reaching the 10R. So now the reason that I'm showing you these trades is because I don't think that today, not only because they were winners, but not only that, but also because I don't think there's going to be any trades for me today. The market is a little bit choppier. I guess it's because CPI is coming tomorrow or whatever. Yeah, today is Tuesday. We have such a solid impulse on the 4 hours. So before I start taking any trades, at least long, for now I'm just looking at shorts because, well, structure is completely bearish.
but I'm expecting a lower high to form before we break the low again. So I want first to see the 15-minute starting to like break the highs, the 15-minute to start doing something like this for me to start entering in longs. Before that, I'm not looking at anything really. So yeah, now it's all about remaining patient. Today, I guess I'm only going to be witnessing euro dollar reaching a 1-to-1. And yeah, right now I'm doing some markups. I want to mark up everything that I didn't trade so far in the markets from the 20 something of June. I didn't do markups since the 16th. That's how that's how I didn't want to do anything by then. So I'm doing the markup since the 16th until today. Everything that I missed is going to be marked up. So I'm excited for that. Let's get to work. Okay, I've just finished all the markups. So I did 1.5 weeks basically, right? Yeah, I did 7 markups. Currently, what I still need to do is just reading. Because, well, once again, I don't want to be overworking. Now, the problem is, this morning, I procrastinated a lot. But this comes more because I don't have that many processes to do right now, where I feel like the most important thing for me right now is just to have live market experience. But since the market isn't doing much today, I'm like just sitting on my hands. My mentor entered in one trade that he banked 10R on, but I personally didn't really, one, look at the trade, and two, like that trade. It wasn't that good of a trade in my opinion. It is what it is. It resulted in a win, so I'm happy for whoever took it. I can show you the trade. Chill the fuck out. So he actually entered right here after we sweep these lows, which were the big lows. We sweep it and we start moving up, forming this, let's call it internal structure. So we start forming this right here to continue to move up to maybe, I don't know, target these highs or target these bigger highs. So what happened is that we swept the low right here, started moving up, move down, move up, break up this structure. This POI swept the liquidity that was below here, making it a better POI. And then like this high was broken for like a pipette or something, just 0.1 pips. You have inducement below here, and he set the entry right something like here with a 2 or 2.5 pip stop. And he got tagged in and he took the 10R right there. I think it took 13R, so it was probably a lower stop loss. But yeah, overall, not the best trade in my opinion. It wasn't very clean, and I'm currently looking for cleaner trades. So I'm not way too worried about, oh, he entered in this trade, whatever. I accept the thought process. I think it's something that you can look at, and once you understand structure quite well, you can enter in these sort of trades. I personally wasn't really looking at this because I was more looking at shorts from here or from up here, which we didn't get tagged, while he was entering from longs here, making this short-term play. And this was actually right at 7 a.m. and I love me some trades at 7 a.m. I actually just didn't really see this trade. But yeah, that was a trade that my mentor took. I understand it, I learned from it, and who knows, maybe in the future I'll apply it. Right now, there isn't much more that I'm looking at. I'm going to read, and I'll show you what I'm reading. Currently reading Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind, just because I love science, history, and everything so far so much. And this book is just so good, I swear to God. I've only read like just the beginning. I'm going into chapter 3. I've read 44 pages and I already love this book. I haven't even read 10% of the book and I already love it. So I'm going to read a little bit, and in the afternoon, since it's going to be 40 degrees Celsius, I'm going to go to the beach and I'm going to surf. Okay, so it's currently 1:45. I'm about to go to the beach. It's currently 40 degrees Celsius. In the beach, it's 38. There's no sun, but a lot of fire. Not the best way to have 39 degrees, am I right? But yeah, that's exactly it. I'm going to go to the beach right now. The trading today there wasn't many trades today. There were just that trade that, who knows, maybe I missed, maybe I didn't. I'll look at it today in the afternoon at night to see if I actually missed it or not. And then the S&P isn't really doing much. It's quite choppy throughout the day. So let's go to the beach.
Okay, so I wasn't expecting this. It's currently 9:30. I was not expecting to be home this late, but I went to the beach. It was quite good. Surfed a little bit. Fuck, my hair is completely fucked. Surfed a little bit, and well, now I'm back home. I don't trade in the afternoon, but today I still have to do the markups. I guess I'm going to stay up a little bit later today, because since I have to do the markups, I have to do them right now. Then I'm still going to set my goals for tomorrow, and yeah, let's see what opportunities were there in the market today.
Okay, I just did the markups. There was really no trades for myself. Even this one that my mentor took. Wait, this one right here. It wasn't really a trade that I would take. So, and if I would, then I would have taken a break even either way. But then in the afternoon, there was really no trades here for myself.
So yeah, I have finished another day. Today is the July 12th, the Tuesday, July 12th. I still have to set my goals. I'm still going to do some affirmations, and then I'm going to go to sleep. I should really take a shower. I'm going to be very honest with you, but I'll do it tomorrow. Stop judging me. I'll do it tomorrow. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed the breakdown of the trades that I took yesterday too. And I'm sorry that it wasn't a live trade because, well, today there was no trades. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next week. Peace.